Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. So yeah, this morning, this is like 6:30 a.m. I woke up since actually, but I've just been. I was finding it very difficult to stand up from my bed. But yeah, I'm up now and I've dressed my bed. I just want to iron my uniform because I'm on duty. So right now, I just want to eat, then have my bath and go because this place is very far. So I need to like be out early. I'm going with like two of my colleagues. So we'll meet up and then our meeting up time is by 7:30. So anything I'm doing, I just have to be done with it by 7:30. So that's it. I just want to eat, then have my bath, dress up. And in case you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Help this growing YouTuber. Like and share my videos. Thank you. So yeah, let me go and have my bath now. I'm done. I managed to put this hair up in a bun, and yeah, we're good. So let me pack my bag. So today I'm going to be carrying this bag. I don't know, but I've just been feeling the bag. So yeah, that's the bag I'm carrying. And basically, I don't take much stuffs to work, so I'm just going to carry this jotter just in case I have to write anything. Then obviously I'll take my sunscreen. Then yeah, I need to take water because the place is a village. I don't know if I'll be able to buy water, or I just don't want to be able to leave the hospital vicinity or the health center vicinity. So I'll be getting water. And yeah, you all remember this my water can from my birthday. Why am I calling water can as if I'm in secondary school? My water bottle. So yeah, that's what we're eating today. So when I go out, I might just buy biscuits just so I can add to it. Just something I can snack on later. And aside this, what else? Money. So the place, like I mentioned, is far. My transportation should be like 2,500 to 3,000 depending. So yeah, I'm going with money just so I don't get stranded. And what else is going to be in this bag?
Nothing. Nothing else. And I'm good to go. I'm good to go.
So I met up with my colleagues at about 7:40 and we ended up leaving around 7:50. So like I mentioned earlier, the place is far. We're going to make like two stops before we get to the place. The journey is roughly 1 hour or 15 minutes, but like let's just say give or take 1 hour. These are like a few clips I managed to steal at work. So this is a maternal clinic. So most of the patients we attended to were pregnant women and nursing mothers.